Alrighty, good morning, you guys. So, for today's behind this comic scene video, I wanted to actually talk about how I go about starting a webtoon, or more so, my file size. I'm not going to show it in the video because this is just a quick, like, speed draw, me filling in the colors. But, I did want to at least leave you guys with something that's of value. So for the Webtoon file size that I usually work with, it is the upload size, file size for Webtoon, of course, is obviously 800 pixels wide by 1280 pixels long. But for when I'm my work file, like the file size that I work on for my Webtoon, I usually have it, I double it basically. So instead of 800, I usually do it at like 1600. And then of course with the length of it, I also double that as well. I don't feel like doing the math right now. But I think it's like 25,000 long. But just basically double the required upload file size that Webtoon specifies, that and you'll get my file size. And usually the reason why I do that is because, like, if you look at the file size right now that I'm working on, I'm able to fit more panels on the file, and also I'm able to work a lot closer so that the lines aren't as blurry. So that's why I double my work file size, and then when I go to export it, I don't have to worry about the blurry again of the lines, and I can export it to the 800 by 1260 file size because I just doubled the working size, so I don't have to worry about the comic page being distorted because it still is. You get what I'm saying? The math of it works out. That's the best way that I can kind of like explain that. But so yeah, so that's what I do when I'm starting. That's when I'm starting my Webtoon and the file size that I work on. It's kind of hard sometimes to find that information, and I tend to end up forgetting, which is why it's like imperative for me to create templates and work off of templates, because man, I don't know why it's so hard to find the file size. It's like it's on their website. It's in a PDF one, but I don't know. I'm probably just terrible at searching, so it's probably not hard to find at all. I just suck with searching for things. But ew. Anyways, let's not go negative. Let's keep it positive. So I don't think I have anything else that I really wanted to say. I hope you guys will enjoy today's speed draw. It's just me just coloring in the next episode of Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me. Yeah, this is the next episode. Of course, it's January 7th right now, I think. And I just recently updated episode 5 on Webtoon and Tapastic's website. And this right here that I'm working on is actually episode 6. So the next episode after that, which also I already have this uploaded on my website and on Patreon. So people that go to my website or people that are Patreon supporters, they get to see chapters like ahead. So if you wanted to go ahead and read this chapter, then you can see it there. But if not, you can just wait till I post it up on Webtoons. And I think that is all that I want to say. Again, if you want to read my webcomic, it's called Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me. My website is s-morishitastudio.com. And on Patreon, you can find me at s-morishitastudio. So I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just watch the rest of this draw with me. And if you have any questions or would like me to cover anything else, feel free to let me know. If not, I'll probably just come up with something to babble about later on. Also, before I forget, one other thing, because my brain, wow. I do have a blog post on my website explaining how I start my comic, so it also goes further into detail, a little further into detail about Webtoon's LINE Webtoon's file size requirement or format. So if you want to read that blog post, it's on my website as well, so that you will know also. Okay, now that's it for reals. Okay, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you again next week with another video. Bye bye.